So guys, once you have the Eclipse, you can do double click on it. After doing double click on it, you guys can click on this Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Once you do that, you can click on the install button. But before you click on the install button, kindly make a note that on which folder your Eclipse is getting installed. You must know this tomorrow, that where exactly your Eclipse is being installed in your laptop, right? So Eclipse is getting installed in your laptop in the C drive, users, Karishma laptop, Eclipse. Under that, this particular folder, your Eclipse is getting installed, right? And I will talk about it some days later, not as of now, that what exactly is this, okay? As of now, I will just take a screenshot of this page. I have taken a screenshot of this page and I will talk about this in your some days later, okay? Now, and then click on the install button. Once you click on the install button, you have to accept now and let it get installed. Sometime what happens while installing it, there are chances that it might not get installed in some of your laptop in the first attempt. So my request from them is please try to reinstall it. It will get installed, right? I mean, I can give you guarantee that 10% of the people will definitely face problem while trying to install this. I mean, it will get stuck in middle. It can happen, right? If it is happening like that, I will suggest you guys to give a retry to do the same thing. It will definitely get installed, right? So we'll just wait for another 30 seconds just to see if it is really getting installed. If yes, well and good. If not, then we will see what has to be done. Okay, let it get installed. Meanwhile, I will be talking something. See guys, today in this class or in your upcoming classes, I will be first showing you that how you can run the Java program from the Eclipse, right? So in your first few classes, I will definitely be showing you how you can run the Java program from the Eclipse. What is Eclipse? I hope you guys remember. Eclipse is an editor tool, right? Guys, once you complete few days of classes, I will also be showing you how you can run the Java program from your command prompt, right? I am pretty sure all of you know that in your laptop there is a command prompt present, right? In case not, let me just show it to you. Watch out. So in your laptop, you can go here and write command prompt. And from here also you can run a Java program in the upcoming chapter, right? Which means here only you will be able to see the output directly, right? So as of now, I'm running the program in the editor tool, but after a few classes, we also have an option to run the same program from the command prompt also. That time you don't even need the Eclipse. You can directly run it from the command prompt. I also want to let you guys know that not only we will be running the Java program using Eclipse, not only we will be running the program from the command prompt, we will also be running the Java program from the Jenkins. Jenkins is called as a CI/CD tool. What I'm trying to explain you that you are not just going to run the Java program from Eclipse. You are also going to run it from the command prompt and CI/CD tool called Jenkins, right? Those of you don't know what is CI/CD tool Jenkins, don't worry. I will talk about it when time will come. So it's taking time. It should not take this much of time. So let's see for another few seconds. Meanwhile, I will stop her screen. And when it is done, Karishma, please put it in the chat. I'll come back to your screen. Okay. As of now, I'm stopping it. So Karishma, whenever it is done, just update in the chat. Okay. I can come to your laptop again. Okay. Pranali, please mute yourself.
Yeah, Manish, I have one question. Like, in how many days we'll be completing core Java?
Almost 42 classes.
42 classes. Okay. And after that, the Selenium will start.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Guys, watch out. So guys, as I had said you guys in your last class that let me just open your sheet once.
Sir, is it a 2-month course?
Okay. I mean, just asking, I mean, you guys don't check such things before taking admissions? I mean, yesterday also I said the same thing, that this course is for 4 months, right? Okay, watch it, guys. So, after I will create the project package and a class, guys. So once after that, you need to know some basic things with the help of which I will be able to create a class. And once I will be able to create a class, I will be able to run my first program. Before I do that, guys, I need to explain you a little bit things about class, right? I need to talk a little bit about class. I hope you remember what I said you already about the class. Class is where you write a program, right? But in order to understand the more about class, you need to understand one concept that I'm going to teach you now, which is called as tokens, right? Please make a note of it. I'm starting your first Java concept today, right? Please make a note of it and let's get started. Shall we start, guys? Shall we?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah.
So guys, I'm starting your
Can you
first
repeat what is package?
Can you repeat what is package?
Yes.
Okay. In a single package, you can have as many classes as you want. That
No,
means
no,
in a
actually that concept is clear. Suppose that in class we write the program, but what is package? That package having so many classes. So package definition, what will be the definition of package?
Uh, I mean, all the various classes can be linked to a particular package. Various classes can be linked to a particular package, and various packages can be linked to a particular project. Watch it, everyone. So guys, in order to start teaching you from class, let me start teaching you from the tokens in Java today. In order to start tokens in Java, I need to give you the 6 subheadings inside the token. So let's get started. So inside tokens, the first chapter that we will be studying today is called as Identifier, right? After Identifier, we will be learning the next concept, which is called as keywords. After that, we will be learning the next concept, which is called as literals. After that, we'll be learning a next concept called as separators. After that, we'll be learning a next concept called as comments. After that, the last concept we will be learning inside the tokens, which is called as operators, right? These 6 concepts we will definitely be learning today. We'll try to understand that what exactly is the meaning of this 6 concept, right? These are the 6 concept that we'll be studying today inside the tokens concept, right? So we'll try to understand today that what exactly is identifier, keywords, literal separators, comments, and operators, right? I have a shortcut for you so that you can remember these 6 tokens easily, and the shortcut is called as IKLSCO, right? I generally pronounce it as a Eclipse, right? Why? What is Eclipse? Identifier, keywords, literals, separators, comments, and operators, right? Do you have to talk like this in the real interview? The answer is no. Okay, don't talk like this in the real interview. This is only the shortcut given by me so that you can remember it for a longer run, right? So this is just a shortcut. I'm reading it again for you. Identifier, keywords, literal, separators, comments, and operators, right? Guys, now I want to tell you that in every program that you write, this Eclipse will definitely be present most of the time, right? That means in every program that you'll be typing, Eclipse will always be present. What is Eclipse? The same: identifier, literal, separators, comments, operators, and so on, right? So let us understand that what exactly is identifier, right? You guys can write down definition of identifier. I'm going to write it here. Guys, identifier is the name given to any class name. Repeating again, identifier is the name given to any class name, right? Name given to any class, right? I hope you guys remember what is class. Class is where you write a program, right? And what is identifier? Identifier is a name given to any class name, right? I hope you all know the English meaning of identifier, right? Identifying something. How you can identify someone, maybe by their name. So probably by their name can help you to identify that person. In a very similar way, guys, let's imagine that in your laptop you have 100 of programs present. How you will identify that which program is for addition of a two number? Because identifier can help you to understand that which program I need, right? How can I reach to a person whose name is Ganesh in this class? By his name. His name is identifier. I hope you're getting my point, right? In a very similar manner, guys, let me show you something. Watch out. Let's say, guys, if I'm doing addition, I can give my class name as addition. If I'm doing addition, I can give my class name as addition. What is addition here? Identifier. What is identifier? The name given to any class name. So that tomorrow you can understand that this particular program is to do addition of a number, right? When you want to find out the area of a circle, your class name will be
Class area.
let's say area of a circle.
Yeah.
I'm just giving you example. Okay, let's say, guys, you want to log into Amazon. You want to log into Amazon, right? That time your class name can be
Login page.
Login Amazon or Amazon login.
it can be class login also. It can be class login Amazon also,
Amazon.
right? Choice is yours. There is no problem, right? Now, guys, you must know some rules and regulation for identifier. Can I write anything in my class name? So there are some certain rules for it, right? Please try to write it down. The first rule that you have for identifier is any identifier should always start with a capital letter. Any identifier should always start with a capital letter, right? Your identifier can be a mixture of alphanumeric. Any identifier can be a mixture of alphanumeric. I hope you're understanding the meaning of alphanumeric.
Yes, Manish.
Alphanumeric, alphabets and numbers, right? So can my class name be Amazon 123? What do you guys think?
Yes, it can.
Yes, it's correct.
My class name can also be Amazon 123, just for knowledge, okay? Guys, my class name can also have space in it. Sorry. Sorry, don't write that. I was about to say no. So let me recorrect it. My class name can have underscore in it. Right? My class name can have underscore in it. I'm pretty sure you guys know the meaning of underscore. This is the meaning of underscore. This one, beautiful, right? Login underscore Amazon. Your class name can have an underscore in it, right? Next point. Your
Manish,
class,
we use underscore instead of space.
I mean, You can, yeah. Space you can't use it, so you can use
We
underscore
can
whenever
give,
required.
Manish, we can give like full stop or
See, I'm not yet done. There are many things in it. Let me complete it. Then you can ask me the outside question. No problem. Guys, the next point is your identifier can never have space in it, right? You cannot give space in your identifier. Next point. Your any identifier can never starts with numeric. Harjeet, Pooja, as of now, please mute yourself. You can ask me your question and doubt in case you have at the end. Harjeet and Pooja, please mute yourself. Pooja Chaurasia, please mute yourself. Your class name can never start with numeric, right? I mean, your class name can never start with one. Oh, sorry. I mean, your class name can never start with 1, 2, 3, Manish. You can't write like this. You can't do this, right? And in case your class name have 2 words in it, right? In case your class name have 2 words in it, then you can give the class name as like this: login Amazon, right? Where the first letter will be capital of the first word and the first letter of the second word will also always be capital, right? So guys, these are the certain rules and regulations that you can always use it for your identifier. One last rule, that it can never have any special characters in it other than underscore. Okay, just for your knowledge. None of the special characters are allowed in my identifier other than underscore. Underscore it can have, but others are not allowed. Is it clear to all? Are you understanding this? Easy?
Yes.
Okay.
Can you
Yes,
repeat
yes.
last time? Special character cannot have. Okay.
It cannot have any special characters, but it can have underscore in it. That's what I was telling. Okay. Guys, just because I'm teaching you some rules and regulations of your identifier, you must know the meaning of uppercase and lowercase. Okay. I'm pretty sure some of you will definitely be knowing the English meaning of uppercase and lowercase, but it's my duty to teach you. So I'll just teach you the meaning of uppercase. Uppercase means all capital. Lowercase means all smaller. I'm telling you this for your knowledge. You must know the English meaning of them, right? Now, I also want to tell you that your package name should always be lowercase in nature. Your package name should always be lowercase in nature, right? Remember what is package? Remember? I hope you remember.
Group of classes.
Yes,
Group
yes.
of classes.
Project, package, and a class, right?
Yes.
So guys, very simple concept. What is identifier? Identifier is the name given to my class name, right? As you know that in Java, probably at the end of this course, yesterday I showed you that in one of my automation batch 41, I guess I have given them 206 assignment. That does not mean that you will be creating only 200 you will create only 200 classes. You will actually be creating more, right? So tomorrow, in order to segregate one class from another class, we can give a different name to each classes. So the name given to my class name is called as identifier. I hope the point is clear, right? Tomorrow, I mean, my name is Manish Kumar Tiwari, and that is how I am being identified by students. I'm just giving you an example, right? So my name is my identifier, right? How to identify a program? By its name, and name is nothing but identifier, right? Yeah, I will come to your laptop, Karishma. Good news that it got installed. I will come back. Just a minute. Now, guys, let's also learn about what is keywords in Java. Please write down its definition. Keywords are the reserved words in Java which has its own meaning. Keywords are the reserved words in Java which has its own meaning. Right? So keywords are the reserved words in Java which has its own meaning. I hope you are able to understand the meaning of a reserved words, right? If not, let me guide you. As you know that in case tomorrow you are forming in case tomorrow anyone is forming a new country, they cannot name their country name as India because India is already present, right? As you know today, if any organization is taking a birth, they cannot name their company name as Google because Google is already present. So what is keywords in Java? Keywords are the reserved words in Java which has got its own meaning. Just like in English language, there are so many words which has its own meaning. You cannot utilize it everywhere. Example, in my every sentence, I cannot use a word called where. Where has a meaning. I can't utilize it everywhere, right? I can only utilize where I have to. I can't utilize it everywhere, right? In a very similar manner, guys, Java has some reserved words which has its own meaning. I want you to write down second point also for keywords is that all the keywords are lowercase in nature. There are approx 50 Java keywords. There are approx 50 Java keywords. Some of the keywords in Java are abstract, assert, Boolean, break, byte,
new
case,
static program,
please mute yourself, catch, char, class, continue, default, etc. So there are almost 50 Java keywords that you have. Some of them are abstract, assert, Boolean, break, byte, case, catch, char, class, constant, default, do, double, else, enum, extends, final, finally, float, and so many. There are approximately 50 Java keywords, right? I have given you a few of them. You can always make a note of it. By the moment you will meet me tomorrow in the class, in your mobile application, under your study material section, you will get a PDF of 50 Java keywords, right? So you can just have a glance that what are the 50 Java keywords that you have, right? As a part of this course, we will be discussing almost 40 of them, 40 to 42. Okay, so there are approximately 50 Java keywords that we have, and each one of them has got its own meaning, right? You can't utilize it everywhere you feel like, right? Guys, I want to tell you one point, but whatever the point that I'm going to tell you, you don't have to tell to the interviewer, you have to keep it only with you, okay? The point is, listen to me carefully, don't write it, just listen to me. Guys, when you write a program in the Eclipse, right? You will see something turns into brown color, some things turn into black color, some things turn into blue color, some things turn into white color, and some things turn into pink color. I just want to tell you something which you don't have to speak in the real interview. If you speak in the real interview, they will throw you out. Okay? Something is, you guys are able to hear me? Okay. So guys, I just want to tell you that 90% of the time, your keywords will always be pink in color. You getting my point? 90% of the time or 95% of the time, your keywords will be pink in color. Okay, let me show you something. Watch out. Please watch out. I'm going to show you something. Okay, I'm really sorry to show you this program, but forget about the program. Just let me know whether you are able to see some pink color things. Are you able to see that?
Yes.
Let's read them once, right?
Yes.
One is package.
Yes.
One is import. One is public. One is class. one is static, one is void, one is new, one is int, and yes, all of them are keywords.
Keyword.
All of them are keywords. Okay, guys, one more thing I want to tell you. Are you really able to see that all my keywords are in the lowercase? Are you really able to see that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Right. So that's all I wanted to show you guys. I'm going to show you one more program. Please forget what the program is, okay? You don't have to worry about the program. Just let's read the pink colors, right? Yes, here also this for is a keyword. This int is a keyword. This new is a keyword. This int is a keyword. This void is a keyword. This static is a keyword. This public is a keyword. This class is a keyword, right? So keywords are the reserved words in Java which has got its own meaning, right? So we will learn slowly that what is the meaning of abstract, what is the meaning of assert, what is the meaning of boolean, what is the meaning of break, what is the meaning of everything, right? So as of now, don't worry. Now let's talk about what is literals, right? Please write down one line of definition. Literals are the values used in the program. Literals are the values used in the program. I'm pretty sure you all are able to understand the meaning of this line. Very plain English language I'm using, right? What do you mean by value? Is your email ID a value? Yes or no?
Yes.
Your email ID is a value. Your name is a value. Your date of birth is a value. Your gender is a value. Your mobile number is a value. Your address is a value. If you want to add 100 and 200, that 100 and 200 is a value. Literals are the values used in the program, right? I'm pretty sure all of you know the formula of I am pretty sure all of you know the formula of area of a let's say area of a square. In case you don't know, that's not a problem. So let's talk about area of a circle, right? Some of you might be able to recall what is the area of a circle. Let me I'm not going to ask anyone.
Fire square.
2 pi r square.
I have a request, guys. Please, when I'm talking, please don't interrupt. You can be on mute. I mean, you can talk later. That's not a problem. Sorry. Okay. So as you guys know that the area of a circle formula is pi r square, and where r will be your radius, right? What is the radius? Let's say 10. What is 10 here? That is a literal. Right? What is the meaning of literals? Literals are the values used in the program, right? The country where you live in is India. What is India there? Maybe India is your literals, the value that you're using it in your program, right? Guys, just to let you guys know, any language, whichever language you're learning, everything is a game of just literals, just data, right? You will be playing with data. Just imagine, what is data? Datas are literals, right? What is data? Your mobile number is a data. Your email ID is a data. Your bank account number is a data, right? Your salary is a data, right? Your age is a data. Your gender is a data. I hope you're able to relate it, right? Your order ID is a data, right? So any values used in the program is called as literals. If I'm going to find out the area of a square, my formula is going to be a square. I hope you all agree, right? And let's say my a is 10. My answer is going to be 10 into 10, 100. What is 10 here? That is literals, right? So that is called as literals. Guys, before it is late, before you get bored, I will go to Karishma laptop now and help you to create your project package in a class. Watch out. Yeah, Karishma, please share your screen. Okay, beautiful. Everyone, please focus. I must recommend my students to please be on camera. It will be good for you, right? I don't want you to, I don't want you to get bored, right? Please be on camera. I hope you are able to see my effort. If I'm putting effort, you also please put some effort to be on camera. Please, please, please. Thank you. Guys, once after installation, you can click on the launch button. And the moment you click on the launch button, the beautiful Eclipse will try to open. Try to click on the launch button now. Okay. Try to maximize it. Try to maximize it. After maximizing it, you can close this welcome, right? And are you all able to see my screen? Just asking.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now you can go on the left hand side, extreme top, and you can see there is an option of file, right? In that file, you can click on the new button. In that new button, I hope you are able to see a lot of things here. The first thing is called as Java project, Maven project, package, class, interface, enum, records, annotations, multiple things. In your upcoming chapter, you will definitely play with annotations, folder, file, interface, class, package. Don't worry about that, right? As of now, our job is to create a Java project. So I'll click on the Java project. The first thing it is asking me is give the project name. The second thing it is asking me that what JRE version I want to use. The third thing, you need to click on the finish button. These are the three important things that you need to keep in mind in your second class, right? In your upcoming classes, you have to take care of multiple other things as well. But as of now, you need to only worry about three things. I'm repeating it again. First is the project name. Second is the JRE environment. And the third thing is of the finish button. That's all. Okay. Now, project name can be anything which start with a capital letter. Okay. So just because in Karishma laptop, I'm starting this first project in her laptop, I can give the project name as Java learning. Let's take example, right? Oh, sorry. Yeah. Once after giving the layer and ing. Okay. Once after giving the project name, you can select any of the GRE environment from here. But guys, I totally agree. As of now, I have not taught you anything about the GRE. What is GRE? I have not discussed with you. So you can ignore it as of now. Need not worry. Okay. Guys, till 42 class, you need not worry about this. But from 43 third class, you need to start worrying about GRE. So as of now, I don't care whether you have the 22, 21, 17, 5, 1.1, 1.2, 1.8. We don't care. It can be anything. Okay. You can also select from here any version of GRE, maybe 1.8 also, maybe 17 also, maybe 11 also, maybe 21 also. Nothing, there is no impact. Don't worry. Okay. So whatever is by default showing, just click on the finish button. Now you can see my project is created. Now I have to create a package, right? How to create a package? Pay attention. Now you have to do the right click on the project. After doing the right click on the project, you can see that there is an option of package, right? After doing the right click on the project, there is option of package. Give the package name here. Can I give my package name from capital letter?
No.
Right?
No.
You can see you got some you got some warning message, right? By convention, package name usually start with a lowercase letter. If you write capital letter like capital M, you will start getting a warning message. If you don't wish to get such kind of warning message, write it smaller letters, right? So I will write here my package name as basics. That looks fine. And click on the finish button. Once your project is created, your package is created. Now, what is my next job? Create a class. How to create a class? Do the right click on the package, go to new and click on class.
Yes.
The moment you click on the class, right, it will ask you to enter the name. What is the class name? I hope I have explained to you just now that the class name is called as identifier. Wonderful. Guys, the first program that I'm planning to execute today. I mean, I won't be able to execute today, just for a knowledge, guys. I will be able to execute my first program probably tomorrow, not today. Okay. So, Anand, please mute. Yeah. So, I'm going to give my class name as first program. Have I followed the rules of identifier? Is it looking fine to you? First program?
Yes.
Right? I have followed the rules and regulations. My first word, first letter is F. My first letter of my second word is also capital. Once after doing that, you can click on the finish button. Once you click on the finish button, you have all the three things with you. The three things which are project, package, and a class, right? Now you have project, package, and a class, right? So let me just show you one more time. This is your beautiful project name, the project name called as Java Learning. This is your beautiful package name, whose name is Basics, and this is your class name, whose name is First Program.java. Now, I hope you can see in my first program itself that I have written 3 Java keywords. Are you guys able to see 3 Java keywords?
Yes.
Right. The
Yes.
first Java keyword is class, public, and the package. You can also see that all the 3 words which are visible, all 3 of them are pink in color, and you can also see that all 3 of them are lowercase in nature, right? You can ask me that, hey Manish, can I write it in the form of capital? See guys, something which I'm telling you that it is lowercase, you cannot write it uppercase. If you do that, you will not be able to run your program. Are you guys getting my point? If I'm telling you that your keyword should be in lowercase, means you can only write it in the lowercase. You cannot write it in the capital letters. If you do that, some errors will come. What those errors are called as? Probably you may learn about it probably tomorrow, right? So in this class, I have showed you how to create a project, package, and a class, right? I won't be able to execute my first program today. If time permits, we will do it. But let's go back to the Eclipse concept. I hope you remember what is Eclipse. Identifier, keywords, literal separators, comments, and operators, right? I have explained you till now to you what is I and K. Let us understand further. Okay, I have also explained you what is literals. Literals are the values used in the program. Let us move on, guys. Let us start talking about the next tokens that we have, which is called as separators, right? What is separators? Please write down one line of definition. Separators in Java is use. Separators in Java is used to separate the code from one another.
Semicolon.
Separators in Java can be used to separate the code from one another. Please write down the different separators that we have in Java. The first kind of separator that we have in Java is called as comma. I'm pretty sure you guys know the meaning of a comma, right? Manish comma Abhishek, right? Abhishek comma Ajit, right? 10 comma 20, the same comma. So I'll write it also here, right? The second separators that you have in Java is called as semicolon. Semicolon, not colon, but semicolon, right? The third separator that I have is called as parenthesis. The fourth separator that I have in Java is called as bracket. The fifth separators that I have is called as braces. Braces. Have you seen all these separators in your keyboard? Let me know.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. Okay. So the different separators that you have are comma, semicolon, parenthesis, bracket, and braces, right? Guys, if I tell you very frankly, it is really going to take little time for you guys to understand that when to use what, right? It is going to take little bit of time. Probably next 10 classes, it will take you to understand where to use parenthesis, where to use bracket, and where to use braces. But I want to tell you something. Today, you guys saw I created a class. I hope you remember I created a class in Karishma laptop, right? In her program, I had created a separators also. Let me show it to you. Karishma, can you share your screen, please? Are you really able to see the separators in our program? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. After basic.
The
Right.
first line.
Yeah, that's
First
right.
line and third and this one.
3 to 8, 3 to 8, line number 3 to line number 8. Wonderful.
Yeah.
Guys, I want you to write down that from here to, okay, I'll write it neatly. From here to here is called as class body. Is called as class body. What is class body? Where you can write a program. Can you write a program outside the body? The answer is no. You can't write a program outside the class body. You have to write your program within the class body only, right? Okay, wonderful. Watch out. Guys, it will take some time for me to make you guys understand where to use bracket and where to use and other separators, right? As of now, I can only tell you that these are the various separators that you have in Java, right? Please let us also discuss the meaning of comments, right? Watch out. See, guys, what happens when we write a program, when we finish writing a program, there is a possibility of any line which I don't need as of now, which generally people go and delete it, right? But there is an option in Java with the help of which I can comment it. Comment means Java will ignore it. I want to show you something. Please focus. Watch out. Look at this particular program. Okay. Look at this Amazon program or look at this addition. Okay. Look at this particular program. Okay. Please don't get scared by looking into this, right? Just look at it. Okay. Guys, I mean, as of now, you can see everything is looking so bright to you, but now I'm going to comment it. This is called as comment. What is the meaning of comment? Comment means Java will ignore that line, right? What is the meaning of Java ignoring that line? Meaning is if you have 100 lines of code and after while reviewing your code, you got to know that line number 51, you don't need it. So you can comment it. I hope you're getting the meaning of comment. Comment means Java will ignore it. Are you guys getting my point? Right? If you
It
have,
will not going to execute. Yeah.
it will not execute. That's wonderful. Yeah. That's right, guys. Whatever you comment will be completely ignored by Java and it will not print it completely, right? Guys, just because of this, I need to let you know that comments are basically of two types in Java. One is called as single line comment and one is called as multi-line comment, right? One is called as single line comment, one is called as multi-line comment. Single line comment, you can, if you want, you can write down. Single line comment is used to comment a single line and multi-line is used to comment many lines together. right? Single line comment is used to do the single line comment. Multi-line comment is used to comment multiple lines altogether, right? Please write down the syntax of single line comment. The syntax of single line comment is // That's all. That's all. The syntax of single forward slash is // right? Let me show you something. Please focus here. Guys, in this program, I hope you can see, I have written one, I hope you can, okay, let me open some different program. I hope you, in this program, you can see my name is written. What is my name? Can you tell me? What is my name? Oh, don't tell Manish. No, I'm not asking that. I am asking in tokens, what is Manish?
Literals.
Literals. Wonderful. As we have discussed already, guys, that the values used in the program is literal. Wonderful. Guys, let's say I want Java to ignore this line. So what I can do, I can just go in front of the line 11 and I can just put // If I put // now this piece of code will never get executed. This is the meaning of a single line comment, right? Please let me know, are you guys able to relate now what is single line comment? Be honest, please tell me.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So this is called a single line comment. Now, what is multi-line comments? I have already dictated you the definition of a multi-line comments. Please write down the syntax of it. The syntax of multi-line comment is this. Please look what I have written, copy paste it, please. This is the syntax of your multi-line comment. I will pronounce it how to read it. // asterisk and asterisk // right? Watch out. Guys, you can see I have 3 lines of code present here. One is Manish, one is Piyush Singh, and one is something, right? Let's say, guys, I don't want any of these 3 lines. I want Java to ignore all of them. Can I use multi-line comment here to comment multiple lines in Java? Can I do that?
Yes.
Yes. See, guys,
Yes.
if you want to ignore these 3 lines of code, then what you have to do? You have to start commenting one line before that, and you have to comment till the end of that line. Okay. What I mean is, if you want to comment these 3 lines of code, then what you have to do? You just have to write here // asterisk, and you have to just write here asterisk //. Now this piece of code has been commented by Java. Java has commented means they will never execute. Right? Okay. See, guys, I'm pretty sure you guys have understood the meaning of a single line comment and a multi-line comment. I want to give you one more practical exposure with the help of which also you will be able to relate to this topic, right? Let's say tomorrow you're writing a program. While writing a program, if you want to remember what you have written tomorrow, you can write your some message there. That message, you can write it inside the comments. I'm giving you an example. Watch out. Let's say Manish want to find out the area of a circle, right? If Manish is writing a program of finding out the area of a circle, then Manish have to take the value of pi and the value of r, right? So I can just write a message for myself in the program that I have taken the value of r as 10 in this program, right? Let me show you something. Watch out. Guys, what I'm trying to tell you is that, let's say tomorrow you will be writing a program like int age. What is the meaning of int age? That you can write it inside the single line comment. I have written here called as declaration. I am declaring it, right? I mean, whatever activity that you are doing, what is the meaning of it, you can write it in the form of a comment. I hope you are able to relate, right? Let's say we all are working in a company, and whatever I'm writing will also be something which will be visible by you tomorrow. So I can, after my every lines of code, I can write a message for you in the form of comments, right? I hope you have understood the meaning of comments. Have you?
Yes.
Okay. Guys, after comments, I have operators. Operators is something that you have learned in your school days. Let me just give you a quick revision. In your childhood, you have learned that different operators that we have are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and so many, right? As of now, I'm going to discuss only only this much of them, right? Can we write A plus B? Obviously, we can write A plus B, right? In that, what is plus? Plus is operator. How to define operators? Operators are the symbols. Operators are the symbol which is used to perform operations on the operands. What is operands? A and B are your operands. A and B are your operands. Please write down this definition if you want to. There is no harsh rule to note down everything that I'm writing. I'll be writing like this throughout the course so that you can refer this sheet later also, and so that it will be easy for you, right? So operators are just the symbols which we use to perform the operations on the operands. Operands means those A and B. If you are doing 100 plus 200, what is plus? Plus is an operator. But what is 100 and 200? Literals. I hope you remember they are literals, right? But if you are trying to perform a operation on anything, let's say you are doing A plus B or A into B, you are trying to perform the operation on any operands, those are called as operands. Example, here if you're doing A plus B, A and B are operands, and this plus symbol is my operator, right? Guys, just like that, guys, I'm pretty sure you all know what is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Guys, in a very similar way, in the upcoming chapter, you are going to learn about lot of operators. Too many operators. As a part of this course, you guys are going to learn too many operators, and every operators will have a particular usage. You guys very well know what addition do, what subtraction do, what multiplication do, what division do, and so on, right? In a very similar manner, as a part of this course, you will see a lot of operators and we will understand the use of it, right? I hope today you guys have really understood what exactly is tokens, right? In tokens, we have identifier, keywords, literals, operators, comments, and operators, right? Let's do a quick revision once, right? Can anyone do a quick revision? What is Eclipse? Pranali, you wanna do quick revision? Pranali Gadak, if you want to, there is no harsh rule.
Yes, Manish.
Go ahead.
Today I have learned some tokens in Java, like as identifier, keywords, literal, separator, comments, and operators, in which identifier is always start with capital letters, then class name can have underscore in it, then can identifier we cannot use space also, and class name should be starting with the numeric also, alphanumeric, and suppose two words we have to write, suppose login Flipkart, then we have to use the L is a capital and Flipkart F is capital also, no space will be there, and special character cannot use in identifier also. Second one, we have to use the keywords. In keywords, there are many keywords in Java in which all keywords are we have to write in lowercase also. Some keywords are, for example, abstract, assert keyword, then break, catch, char, class, continue. These are example of the keywords. There are 50 keywords in Java is present. Next one we have to learn literals. In that literals we have to use in a program we have to store the value. After that we have to learn the separators. In a separator, in which some separator we have to use like as colon, semicolon, the curly braces, then bracket and parenthesis we have to use. And next one we have to use the next we have to learn the comment. There are two types of comment. First one is single line comment and second one is a multi-line comment. When we have to write the single line comment, then we have to use the double slash, and you have to write the multi-line comment, then we have to yes, we have to use single slash asterisk sign, and last one is asterisk sign and end with the slash. And last one we have to learn the operators, in which operators we have to use the uh, uh, in which operator we have to use like as some arithmetic operators like as plus, minus, division and multiplication. That's it. And in which a and b, suppose a plus b, for example, a plus b is an example in which a and b is a operands and plus is a operator.
Wonderful. That's really great. Thank you. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's class, and I also hope you can see and feel that today we have really discussed few things, right? And some of the things I also tried to show you practically, right? Example, today I have shown you practically what is identifier. Today I have shown you practically what is keyword. Today I have shown you practically, I haven't shown you literal today, but I have shown you today separators little bit, right? Today I showed you practically how to do comments of a single line and multi-lines. Today I could not show you operators, which I'll be able to show you in the upcoming classes, right? Today I have also shown you practically how you can create the project package in a class, right? So whatever I have done today, please try to do it, right? Samsung SM saying something, ask me.
Manish, I have a doubt.
Yeah, go ahead.
What is the difference between Java project and
Tell me again, what is the difference between?
Java project and only project?
Okay. No, see, in the project, there are varieties types of project can come, like a Java project or a Maven project. So Maven project is also a part of this particular course. So we are not just going to discuss the Java project, but we are also going to discuss the Maven project. Now, how they are different from each other, it will take little time to understand that how Java project is different from the Maven project. We'll see in the upcoming chapter.
Yeah, Manish, I have a doubt. Manish, why we exactly need the package? I think we just we cannot write the program in Java without package, right? Then I just want to know why we need this package.
So that every classes can be linked to a particular package, so that tomorrow, if you tomorrow if you have so many programs in your laptop, you will be able to segregate them better, right? You will be able to segregate your Java program separately, Selenium program separately, basic program separately, operators program separately. This is from this course perspective. Why in organization different packages are important? Maybe to write the similar piece of code in one single package, and maybe to write a similar piece of code in a different package, so that I can differentiate my two separate piece of two different types of codes. Let's take example.
Okay. Okay. And one more thing, Manish, will we cover the XPath or to find out the XPath in the Selenium portion, right?
Obviously, without
Okay.
XPath, how we can learn?
No, some guys are using some tool to find out the.
No. I will be teaching without a tool. I will be showing
Okay.
how to practically find out, not using any tool.
Okay. Okay. Thanks, Manish. Thanks a lot.
Fine, guys. I'll be seeing you tomorrow then. Have a very great day and great night. Take care of yourself. I'll see you tomorrow then, right? Yeah, Supriya saying something? Oh, you're on mute.
The Eclipse, but is there any specific version for Eclipse Oxygen that we need to download?
Any Eclipse Oxygen that is available over the internet, you can download it. Any specific version is required or not? Not really. You can download any version, no problem.
Okay.
Bye guys. Bye. Take care. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thanks so much. Thank you. Thank
Thanks.
you.
Good night.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.